Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So I've just finished my workout and I thought I'll quickly make another video for you guys. So a lot of you have asked me on how I lost my postpartum weight. So I haven't lost all of it, but yeah, I am on that journey. So just for all of you who are wanting to lose weight, which they've gained during pregnancy and after pregnancy, as I said earlier, it's more easy if you are active and are working out during your pregnancy. But don't worry, even if you haven't, it's not that this weight is not going to go away. It will. It's just fat. It can easily go off your body. So I can tell you like a small workout routine that you can start with once you get the green signal from your doctor. So after your delivery, whether it be normal or cesarean, when your gynae gives you the green signal, that you're okay to exercise. So I got mine at 6 weeks. Some of them, some mothers get it at 3 months, some get it at 6 months. So do listen to the gynae, and whenever it's okay for you to exercise, do not rush into anything. You should first start with walks. So first, I think start with a 30-minute walk every day. But please remember, you must do it every day. Consistency is key here. So start with a 30-minute walk. Do it for a week or two till you get absolutely comfortable in it. Once you cross that 30-minute, move it to 45 minutes for the next week. And then 60 minutes for the next week. So now 1 month of yours just goes into walks. So after you do that, then your aim is to walk 5 kilometers in 1 hour. So do that. I think once you have been able to walk for 60 minutes, you'll be easily able to reach this goal. So once you're done with that, that is the time when I would suggest that now your body is ready for exercise. So in case you were exercising before your pregnancy, then you can start with whatever you were doing earlier and go on with it. But if you were not exercising before pregnancy, after that 5 kilometer goal, you can start with Surya Namaskars. So start with around 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So 6 rounds means 12. So you start with that. And for those of you who don't know how to do a Surya Namaskar, I'll quickly show you 1 round. So 1 round means left and right. So you need to do 6 rounds every day with your 5 kilometer walk. So that continues and the 6 Surya Namaskars get added. So I'll quickly show you how we do it. So you come to the front of your mat. So this is the first position. 1, 2, 3. Then your right leg goes back and you look up. Remember, your knee should not cross your toe. 3. And then you come into your mountain pose. 4. Those who can't touch the ground, that's okay. Your head can remain here. Then Ashtanga Namaskar, your knees, chest and chin. Then this is Cobra. You again come back to your mountain pose. And then your right leg comes forward. You look up. Left leg comes forward. And you go for a back bend and namaskar. So this is one side of 1 round. Now we do it with the other side. So again 1, 2, 3. Now my left leg goes back. I look up. 4. Knees, chest, chin. Cobra. Mountain pose, equestrian pose, hand to feet pose, back bend and namaskar. So this is Surya Namaskar, 1 round. So do 6 of these. So this should be the start of your postpartum weight loss journey. I will do a more detailed one, that what you can do to follow up after you're comfortable with this later on. So have a good day and take care. Bye-bye.